On Thursday, June 20th, 2024, at approximately 2:23 p.m., Milwaukee police officers attempted to conduct a felony stop at North 17th Street and West Vliet Street. The vehicle stopped was wanted in connection to an attempted armed robbery carjacking that occurred on the 500 block of North Broadway. The vehicle was also wanted in connection to an armed robbery carjacking that occurred earlier in the day in the 500 block of North Jefferson Street.
Felony stop, 17th and Elite. Driver, shut the vehicle off! That's affirmative. Driver, shut the vehicle off! Do it now!
Taking off.
Alright, they're taking off on us.
Turn my light sirens on.
3233 for the air. You're now southbound on 17th Street from Elite. Vehicle is in the wrong way of traffic. We're in the correct lane. White Chevy Trax, no plates. One of armed robberies out of District 1. Approaching Highland. Vehicle is now eastbound on Highland from 17th. Still in the wrong lane of travel. We're in the correct lane of travel.
Rear passengers got
Traffic
camo
is clear.
Yep.
Rear passenger is camo hoodie. Continuing eastbound. Speeds are approximately 30 miles per hour. Approaching 13th.
That was used in the robbery. The description.
Alright, coming up to 12th. Alright, he's going to hit the gas station parking lot on 12th and Highland. Coming out onto 12th, now northbound on 12th from Highland. White Chevy Trax, no plates. Looks to be occupied 3 or 4 times. Rear passenger has a camel babe hoodie described in the armed robbery. Westbound. What are we on? Westbound on Juno, crossing 13th. Speeds are approximately 50 miles per hour. Alright, northbound 14th from Juno.
Open secondary.
Continuing northbound, passing McKinley, approaching the lead. Alright, we're going to be eastbound on the lead from 14th Street in pursuit of a white Chevy Trax, wanted for an armed robbery carjacking out of District 1. Looks to be occupied at least 4 times. Southbound on 12th from the lead. Speeds are 25 miles per hour. Continuing south on 12th, crossing McKinley. Multiple occupants, at least 4 occupants. White Chevy Trax, wanted for armed robbery out of District 1. Speeds are 40 miles per hour. Traffic is clear. Roads are dry.
3231 on 1 man. It's station for a third.
Alright, what are we on here? East.
Highland.
Alright.
Get on the freeway.
We're now north from Highland on the freeway on-ramp. 41 north?
43 north.
43 northbound. Alright, coming 43 northbound from Highland. You pursue that white Chevy Trax. Go ahead and patch us with the sheriffs. And patch us with D5 right away, please. 3233 in pursuit of a white Chevy Trax. Opens to the car. Continuing northbound. White van hit on the freeway. Notify the sheriffs. The occupants seem to be okay.
Somebody stop with the car, make sure they're good.
Somebody stop with that vehicle, make sure they're all right. Continuing northbound on 43. Speeds are 88. Traffic is moderate. Road conditions are dry. There's a white Chevy Trax, no plates, occupied 4 times. Wanted for an armed robbery out of District 1. Continuing northbound. Northbound on 43, crossing North Avenue. Speeds are 79. Traffic is moderate. Continuing northbound. Alright, getting some congestion here. Speeds are approximately 75 miles per hour. White Chevy Trax taking an armed robbery carjacking out of District 1. Occupied at least 4 times. Alright, getting stuck in traffic. We're just south of the Locust exit here. Make sure we're patched with 5. Alright, we're exiting Locust here from, nope. Continuing, 43 northbound, passing Locust. White Chevy Trax, no plates, wanted for armed robbery carjacking out of District 1. Speeds are 68 miles per hour. We are in the shoulder of 43 northbound, still in traffic here. Alright, continuing northbound on 43. Quarter mile from Keith. White Chevy Trax, no plates, occupied 4 times, wanted for an armed robbery, carjacking, District 1. Alright, continuing northbound, 43 north, passing Keith. White Chevy Trax, no plates, occupied 4 times, wanted for an armed robbery, carjacking on District 1. Speeds are 70. Traffic currently light. Road conditions are dry. Alright, continuing northbound, passing Keith.
We're gonna get stuck here.
Yeah. We're in a construction lane. It's possible this lane ends. Continuing northbound. Capitol is our next exit here. 3233 in pursuit. Looks like they're going to be blocked by construction equipment here.
Stop the vehicle! Somebody move!
323.
We got shots fired.
Officer involved. All officers are okay. I just don't want to call. Witness additional tools. Make gunpoint. 31, we're approximately quarter mile north of Steve.
313, going. 825 going. 825. 3190 CAC, we can go to that, dude. 14318. You want 3233, dude?
Stop the vehicle! Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Stop the car! Stop the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the fucking car! Hands up! Hands up! Stay! Get on the ground!
3233, shots fired.
Hands! Shots fired! Shots fired! Send us more cars! Everybody get out of the car! Keep your hands where we can see them! Keep your hands up! Shield! Somebody grab the shield! Nobody move!
3233.
It's locked.
3233. Officer involved. All officers are okay. Occupants still in the vehicle. Send us additional squads. At the gunpoint. We're approximately quarter mile north of Keith. Unlock the doors if you can!
825.
Unlock the door! Alright, passenger! Listen to me carefully! Keep your hands up! Face away from me! Face away from me!
3190.
Show us your hands! Stand up! Hey, my guy, stand up! Keep your hands up! Back up towards the sound of my voice! Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming! Keep coming! Stop right there! Hold on!
One in custody right now. Alright, stay right here. Sit down, sit down.
Come on, let's go! Come on, hurry up, hurry up!
Stay with him, I haven't searched him yet. Alright, come to me, come to me, come to me.
Stay in the car!
Oh my God, what is that?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, next.
Take the next one. Alright.
Get in the car!
I'm gonna grab my med kit.
Have him shut the freeway down.
Go up there, help them. If you don't have medical, roll medical.
I got another dispatch on the phone with medical. Where do you want the freeway shut down exactly?
Shut down north and southbound traffic. I'll get you nothing southbound from 76. Exit 76A. All right. How many are shot? Three shot? Three. Hey. You hear me?
3233.
We're gonna help you out, okay?
Here.
Do you have any weapons on you right now? Okay, brother. Step out for me, okay, buddy?
I'm officer involved.
Come here.
I'm just west.
All right, come on. Come here. Come with me. Sit down right here. Sit down right here. Right here. Right on the ground. Okay, brother.
We're just north of Vienna.
I'm gonna take a look at you, all right, buddy?
Just north of Vienna on the freeway by the pedestrian bridge.
Here, do me a favor. Lay down.
Yes,
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Lay down. Lay your head back. Lay your head back for me. All right. How old are you?
Vehicle's clear.
Okay. 17? All right, your breathing sounds good. How's your breathing feel? Yeah, you're gonna be good, okay?
I'm sorry, you said all occupants are in the
Let's keep
vehicle
your hands just right here.
shot?
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop! Get out of the car! Get hands up! Get on the ground! Hands! 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 Shots fired! Shots fired! Send us more cars! Everybody get out of the car! Keep your hands where we can see! Keep your hands up! Shield! Somebody grab the shield!
3233.
We got shots fired!
3233. Officer involved. All officers are okay. Occupants still in the vehicle. There's additional squads. And the good ones. C8 from the go. Probably quarter mile north of the east. 313 going.
Unlock the door!
825 going.
825.
Unlock the door and step out! Passenger, listen to me carefully!
3190.
Your hands up! Face away from me! Face away from me!
3190.
Show us your hands! Stand up! Hey, my guy, stand up! Keep your hands up! Back up towards the sound of my voice! Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming! Keep coming! Yes. Stop right there! Hold on, just sit tight!
Get the sheriff's to block traffic on
Driver doesn't seem to be conscious. He's not moving. Send medical.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
One at a time! Turn around! Turn around! Walk back towards me! Relax! Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Yeah. We have like 4 others in here and driver's shot. I think this guy's shot.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Shut the
Turn
freeway
on the
down.
fucking car! Get
He's
out
shot.
of the car!
You climb over him! Climb over him!
Come out of the car! Come on, climb over him! Come out of the fucking car!
If you don't have medical, roll
Turn
medical.
around! Turn around! Turn around and come to us! Turn around and come to us! Alright, you took a... Come my way. I got them.
Okay, where do you want the freeway shut down exactly?
Shut down north and southbound traffic. I'll get you, nothing.
This guy in the red.
Get out of the car!
He's shot.
He's
bleeding.
36A.
Let's go. Grab him out of the car.
Three shots? Three.
Can we get a good location?
Hey.
I'm trying. 3233. I need the location here.
3120.
Just south of Capitol.
South of the exit 73, exit Kendall Drive.
Here, I got you.
We're just north of Vienna. We're on the freeway. Just north of Vienna on the freeway by the pedestrian bridge.
You good?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Lay down. Head back for me.
I get a gun on the floor.
21 patient heading down there.
31 all occupants are out of the vehicle. Vehicle's clear. Looks like we got 3 shot.
I'm sorry, you said all occupants out of the vehicle and 3?
A total of 6 suspects were in the vehicle. The suspect vehicle was determined to be a stolen auto, and a firearm was recovered from the vehicle. That firearm was a service weapon for a Waukesha County Sheriff's deputy, stolen from his personal car outside his cousin's home on Brady Street, Milwaukee in September. The driver, Calvayon Adante Jeans, 17 years old, was shot in the arm and jaw. He is charged with attempted armed robbery as a party to a crime, armed robbery as a party to a crime, operating a motor vehicle to flee, or in an attempt to elude an officer, drive or operate a vehicle without owner's consent, first-degree recklessly endangering safety, second-degree recklessly endangering safety, possession of a firearm by an adjudicated delinquent, operating a motor vehicle without owner's consent as a party to a crime, theft of movable property as a party to a crime. Calvayon faces a maximum of 114 years in prison if convicted of all charges. His pregnant girlfriend, Ashley Patterson, 18 years old, was in the passenger seat and was shot in the head and back and has life-threatening injuries. The baby did not survive. Patterson is charged with attempted armed robbery as a party to a crime, armed robbery as a party to a crime, operating a vehicle without owner's consent as a knowing passenger. Ashley faces a maximum of 60 years and 9 months in prison if convicted of all charges. Tyrone Rogers, 17, is charged with attempted armed robbery as a party to a crime, armed robbery as a party to a crime, operating a vehicle without owner's consent as a knowing passenger. Tyrone faces a maximum of 60 years and 9 months in prison if convicted of all charges. The accused ringleader, Samira A. Dean, 18 years old, is charged with attempted armed robbery as a party to a crime, armed robbery as a party to a crime, operating a vehicle without owner's consent as a knowing passenger, operating a motor vehicle without owner's consent as a party to a crime, theft of movable property as a party to a crime. Samira faces a maximum of 72 years and 9 months in prison if convicted of all charges. According to the criminal complaint, Dean sold a car stolen earlier that day for $200 and some marijuana to a marijuana dealer. Dean also told an investigator that she generally steals vehicles for buyers expecting them, and admitted she had stolen 4 cars the day before. A 15-year-old girl and a 16-year-old boy were in the car that aren't named and could face charges in juvenile court.
Thank you for watching Video Leak Police. Please subscribe.